Paper plate weaving. Materials: paper plate, green yarn, brown yarn, tape, scissors to use with a grown-up's help, paint, paintbrush, marker. Optional materials: crayons, markers. To make a paper plate weaving of a tree, turn a paper plate over and mark 2 small lines at the bottom of the plate and 10 small lines all evenly spaced at the top of the plate. With scissors, cut along the lines. Flip the paper plate over. On the front of the plate, paint in a landscape background. If you don't have paint, use crayons and markers to decorate the plate. Paint the upper half of the plate with blue paint to represent the sky. Paint the lower half of the plate with green paint to represent the land. With white paint, add clouds to the sky. Let the paint fully dry before moving on to the next step. Tape the end of the brown yarn to the back of the paper plate. Wedge the yarn in the bottom left cut on the paper plate. String the yarn through the far top left cut around the back of the paper plate and out through the cut directly to the left. String the yarn to the bottom left cut around the back of the paper plate and out the bottom right cut. Repeat the process until all the cuts are filled. When you are done, pull the yarn through the bottom right cut and tape it around the back of the paper plate. Pull the string through one of the upper cuts and wrap it around the yarn in the bottom half of the plate. This represents the trunk of the tree. Pull the yarn through a bottom cut and tape it to the back of the paper plate. With green yarn, tie it to the string on the far bottom right of the paper plate and then weave it under and over through the yarn. This represents the leaves of the tree. Continue weaving the yarn until most of the paper plate is covered in yarn. When you are done, tie the end of the yarn to the yarn on the far upper left. Now you have a paper plate weaving of a tree. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media. #AppletonMuseum@home.